I think it's better to use a cell phone to trade because by the time you get to your laptop, the price of one token or crypto coin might be up or down. So you need to make a decision fast. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you Binance full tutorial so that you understand for beginners. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. So the first thing, you go to your app store and download Binance. It looks like this, and then it will look like this on your phone. And then once you are in the screen, this is where is your home page. So in your home page, you want to customize it and add only the services that you want to see. So this is what I'm talking about. So when you look at the top, you will see the total balance of what you have in this crypto wallet. So money can sit in different wallets like your funding, your spot. But then when you have this in your home page, you can just see what you want to see. So I'm just going to customize this so that you can see. This is something that you do once. You click more. And then right at the top under shortcuts, you have to edit that to add what you want to add and remove what you do not need. So as you can see under my shortcuts, I've added deposit, referral, convert, spot, P2P, LAN. I can remove LAN if I want to remove. And then I can go down under common functions or gift and campaigns and add something. So if you want to deposit fiat, you can add that. So this is what you want to use on a daily basis often. So if I want to add LAN and N, I can just click the plus sign. Can you see it is added at the top? So this is something that you have to do. So I've added rewards as well. So now I have that. And then the next thing that you do, you click done. So now when you look at the top, this is what you have. And this is what you will see immediately when you open your wallet. So this is something that you do to customize your wallet. So now we are going to go to market. So under market, you see all your trading pairs and your charts, like your candlestick chart. And then this is, I'm not going to go deeper because you are a beginner. We will do a full video explaining this. So here basically you can buy or sell. You can buy under limit or market. So basically the difference is when you buy under limit, the transaction, the order will happen now, but then under market it will wait for a certain price to happen before it can buy. So let's go back and then go to the next one, which is trading, which will show you the same thing that we have just seen. You can buy here as well. You can just choose a trading pair between different cryptocurrencies, and then you add your stable coin, and then you'll be able to buy. So under wallets, this is what you're going to use the most. You first click overview. This is where you see the total price of what you have. Actually, it's not even the price, the total amount of what you have. And then if you ever get stuck, always click wallet. Under N, guys, this is when you actually deposited money into your crypto wallet and then you want to earn some interest. And then under cross margin and the other ones, this is just things that I normally don't use, but you can use as well. When you go to spot, it's what you're going to use mainly because all your crypto coins and tokens will be listed here. So whatever you have in your portfolio, this is what you're going to have. We have deposits. So there's different types of deposit. Deposit because someone is sending you crypto, or deposit because you are buying. So the one I'm going to show you is deposit because someone is sending you BNB. So you first have to ask that person what network did they use. It's like Vodacom, Cell C, MTN. So you just select the network that they've selected and then you click copy. So this is like you're sending them your banking details so that they can send you cryptocurrency. And then you select more. You can send it to WhatsApp. You can send it to whatever method you're planning to send. So here's the thing you need to know about sending. If you send this as a picture, do remember that the person will just see a picture, won't be able to copy. So let me just show you. You click send, and can you see now this person can see a picture and this number is not copied. So you can just add the number, which is the address, and then you can send it to them. So under deposit as well, you want to deposit, say you want to buy crypto and then using your cash. So you first select cash and then select your currency and then deposit from your bank account to Binance. So let's just say I deposit 1,000 rand and I've selected my currency, and then you just choose the one that you want. For me, I am in South Africa, so it is going to be ZAR, and then I specify the amount that I want to deposit, and that way I'll be able to deposit, and then it gives me exactly how much it's going to charge me, 14 rand for fees. And then when it gets to this part, you see Capitec doesn't allow, it's a bank in South Africa, you just link account via Stitch. So let's Stitch, it is like a transaction process which you can use, which links to our banks. So our banks normally don't accept to buy in crypto. So I'll show you another way to buy. So let's go back and go to withdraw. So withdrawing, you want to send now. You want to send. Okay, before withdrawing, let me just convert for you guys. Remember, if you want to add convert, you just click more in your home and then you will add convert there. Can you see there's convert? So under convert, you want to convert that amount that you just bought. Let's just say it was South African rand. So I'll just select that and then I bought for 1,000 rand and then this is the money it's appearing here. So I can just convert that amount to whatever cryptocurrency I want. So because I don't have anything on that, I'm just going to show you with what I have. So at the moment, this is what I have. I have XRP. I actually have Matic. I'm going to convert to XRP. So with you guys, it will be your local currency up to to another cryptocurrency. So I've just selected max. It will show everything that I have, but now I do not want to convert everything. I'm just going to type the amount that I want to convert. Look, let's just say I converted one Matic, and then you do need to click convert before it expires. If it expires, just click refresh, it will be fine. So this is how you convert, guys. So let's just go to spot, guys. When you go to spot, remember I said this is where you see all your crypto. Now my Matic was converted. So back to withdrawing. Someone wants you to send them your XRP, then you just click whatever XRP you want. You tell them to send you to WhatsApp you or to send you their crypto wallet and the network that they are using, guys. So you paste their wallet address, you select the network that they are using, because you do need to use the same network. And then let's just say it's a Ripple, you select it and then you just click the amount that you want to withdraw. And then at the bottom, you see withdraw and then you just withdraw for that person. So sometimes you want to transfer money between two wallets, which is spot wallet and funding wallet. And the reason is P2P, which is a way to withdraw, doesn't work on spot wallet. So you have to transfer your money from spot to funding. And those are not the only wallets. So can you see there's cross margin, there's CoinM. So, but normally I don't use these ones. I use spot and funding because I want to withdraw my money. And then I do have a specific video showing you how to withdraw using P2P since our banks do not allow. So now I'm on spot to funding. I want to withdraw my XRP and then I'll just enter the amount and withdraw. So, and transfer. And then now my money will be on funding. And then under N, guys, so say you do not want to save your money at the bank, you can just buy USDT, which is a stable coin, and then send it to here, and then you'll be able to select. There's different types of cryptos you can save, like USDT you get 15%, and then other you get 0.4%. So this is what you get, guys. So you just choose the one that you want to save, and then you can earn interest from that. You can also view other coins that are available. So basically, these are the trading methods you can actually do to earn money by just earning interest. So there's flexible and locked. Flexible, you can withdraw your money anytime. Locked is when it's 30 days up to 120 days, and then the interest is normally higher when it is locked because they are able to take your money, go lend it to someone and make profit even more. Futures is when you want to predict the future price of a certain coin or of a certain transaction, and then you earn from that. But then something that needs a full video as well. Margin is when you borrow a crypto to buy crypto stocks. You can also buy from that, but then there is a risk involved, and then it also works with leverage. And guys, you do need to know before you even do anything on margin. So these ones, futures and margins, I normally don't use as a beginner. So now let's go to learn and earn, guys. Learn and earn is basically, they will say maybe new crypto tokens. The companies will say, okay, let's just introduce this. If people do this and try to understand what is this DEX, then they will earn some DEX. So basically that's what is happening. So mostly when their new projects come, they will introduce something like that. So under rewards, basically you just earn rewards that are available on Binance, and then you can just also make money, but it is not much, guys, but then you can also do that as well. And then under here at the bottom, you will see that there's other coins, but then there's favorite. If you want to know what's happening now, these are the ones that are hot right now. So BNB, BTC, and Ethereum are growing more. Gainers, those that are gaining more, you can see losers, those that are not doing well, tokens that are not doing well, or coins. And then you can also see new listings, those that are new, those that are green obviously doing well, the reds are not doing well. And then you buy only when it's red, guys. And then under P2P, I'm going to show you how to buy if the bank didn't allow your card. So you go click P2P. At the top, you change your currency. So if you're not in South Africa, select whatever currency you are using in your country. And then Binance will give you a list of all the P2P traders, people who are selling and are verified by Binance. And then you'll be able to buy through them. So guys, do not worry. These people are actually verified by Binance. The only thing that you need to be careful, don't click I approve if you haven't received your crypto, or if you were depositing, if you were withdrawing, if you haven't received your money. If you don't click I approve, then they don't get their money. So now let's just say you select BNB, you just look around what is available. So can you see if I select Ethereum, there's no trader to sell me or to buy, sell me since I want to buy these coins. So if I select USDT, you see there's different people. Those with a tick, those are the ones that are verified. So one thing that you need to do, you need to look at the bottom. You'll see that there's an amount. So that's the amount you can buy. So if they say between 1,000 to 5,000, that's the amount you can buy. So you just need to select the one that you want. And then at the same time, you need to check the completion rate. This one is 95%. I normally go for 98%. That means this person got orders and then they finished like Paragon. They never failed on any trade. So meaning they delivered the money fast. So if you select anyone, you just click buy. So when you click buy, it will ask you how much amount you can pay in fiat or you can pay by crypto, but then normally it's usually fiat, and then you can just select. So can you see the limits? It's 5,000 to 9,000. If you buy for 4,000, it won't allow it. Very important, guys. You see that the payment time is 15 minutes and they will pay through bank transfer. So meaning you will send your money through bank account. So the terms are very important, guys. You read this person only accept certain banks and they want you to send proof to their email address. Otherwise, they won't release your crypto. Remember, your crypto, when they release, it will go to your funding wallet, not to your spot. You'll have to transfer to your spot wallet, and then you click buy, and then after clicking buy, it will notify them, and then you will they will give you a bank account where you will deposit, and then they will send you the crypto. So now let's go back to sell. Now you want to withdraw. To withdraw, you click sell, and then you already have crypto, and then you select the person that you want to use, and then for that crypto that you use. So let's say maybe you don't have USDT, you have BTC. You just convert, guys, to BTC until then you move the money from spot to funding, and then you will find those people. So let's look at Kacha, 100% every time. I mean, he did over 769 trades. These are the bank accounts this person can send to. So if you don't have this bank account, then don't do it under this person. So can you see as well the amount is on crypto? So you can change it and say buy fiat so that you understand your local currency. And then let me change now. Can you see it's listed as a South African rand, and then I'll specify 5,000 rand, but because I do not have that money, it won't show. But for you, it will show if you have the money under your funding account. So now when you look at this, you will see the terms as well that they will give you. So now let's just go and change the bank. So you click the bank, and then you add your bank account, and then it'll give you different ways to add your bank account, guys. Because when you withdraw, you want to select your bank account. If you look at this, you'll see that I have a bank account stated. And then the next thing, if you want to add price alerts. Price alerts is saying maybe you want to know when the price of rand or maybe USD goes down, you want to be alerted. So let me just add one just to show you. I want the price of South African rands when it goes down by minus 10%, it should alert me. Right now it's sitting at 1912. If it goes down by 10%, let me know so that I can buy. Because remember, we buy when it's low and then we'll sell when it's high. So that's how we make money basically. That's trading basically, guys. So when you click at the top, there's also Web3 wallet. So Web3, it is the new internet, the one that we are using. You can create a wallet using that, but then I will do a full video on Web3 so that you guys can understand. For now, I just want you guys to know how to use your Binance, and do remember that the link will be on the bio, and then you'll be able to create this wallet. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to everyone who needs this information. Thank you so much, guys.